diabetic neuropathy. It's painful, frustrating, and can feel like it's taking over your life. If you're struggling with burning feet, tingling hands, or sharp nerve pain, I have some news for you. You might be making it worse without even realizing it. In today's video, I'm revealing the 3 biggest mistakes people make with diabetic neuropathy. Mistakes that could be damaging your nerves even more and increasing your pain. And stick around until the end, because I'll also share a powerful treatment option that most doctors don't talk about, but it's helping people just like you finally get relief. Let's jump in. So here's how the video is going to help you. So first, I'll explain what diabetic neuropathy really is and why it happens. Then we'll dive into the 3 biggest mistakes that could be making your pain worse. 3, I'll also share the best ways to start improving your nerve health today. Things you can do right now. And finally, I'll reveal an advanced therapy that's helping people reduce pain and even regain nerve function. Plus, stay until the end, because I'll also be sharing a simple at-home exercise plan you can start doing today to improve your circulation and reduce pain. Before we dive in, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on expert advice to keep you pain-free and mobile. Hey everyone, I'm Gavin Noble and welcome to the 10X Physio channel, your go-to place for expert advice on staying pain-free, mobile and strong. I run Gavin Noble Physiotherapy here in Lisburn, and we specialise in helping people 50 plus stay active, avoid unnecessary medications and keep doing the things they love. If you want to learn the best ways to manage pain, improve flexibility and stay active well into your later years, you're in the right place. Now, let's talk about diabetic neuropathy and the 3 worst mistakes that might be making it worse. Alright, before we get into the mistakes, let's quickly talk about why neuropathy happens in the first place. Diabetic neuropathy is a type of nerve damage caused by high blood sugar levels. Over time, high blood sugar can injure your nerves, especially in your feet, legs, hands and arms. Common symptoms include burning pain, tingling or electric shock sensations, numbness and loss of feeling, weakness in your legs and balance issues. And once this starts, it doesn't just go away. In fact, if you're making these 3 mistakes, it could be getting worse. The biggest mistake people make with diabetic neuropathy is not keeping blood sugar under control. Why is this such a big deal? High blood sugar damages the nerves over time. It's like slowly corroding a wire. It reduces circulation, which means your nerves aren't getting the oxygen and nutrients they need. It increases inflammation, which makes nerve pain worse. The fix? Aim for steady, controlled blood sugar levels by avoiding big spikes. Eat fibre-rich foods like vegetables and whole grains to prevent sugar crashes. Check your blood sugar regularly. Don't guess. Even small improvements in blood sugar control can make a huge difference in your pain levels. The second mistake, being too sedentary. I get it. When you're in pain, the last thing you want to do is move. But here's the problem. Lack of movement leads to poor circulation. Weak muscles put more strain on your nerves. Stiff joints make walking and balance harder. The fix? Try gentle movement like walking or stretching every day. Simple foot and leg exercises can improve circulation. Start small. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can help. And remember, you don't have to do intense exercise. Just moving a little more each day can make a huge difference. Let me know in the comments what's the most frustrating part of your neuropathy. The burning, the tingling, the balance issues. Drop a comment in below and I'll personally reply with extra tips to help you out. And remember, I'll be sharing a simple at-home exercise program at the end of this video that can boost circulation and help relieve nerve pain. So keep watching. The third mistake, not taking care of your feet properly. Because of nerve damage, many people with neuropathy don't feel injuries or sores on their feet, and that can lead to serious problems. Small cuts can turn into infections. Dry skin can lead to painful cracks and sores. Numbness can cause balance issues and falls. The fix? Check your feet daily for cuts, blisters or swelling. Moisturise your feet to prevent cracking and wear good supportive shoes. Avoid tight or unsupportive footwear. Taking just 5 minutes a day to check and care for your feet can prevent major problems down the road. Now, I promised you a powerful treatment that's helping people get relief, and here it is. Stim pod therapy. Stim pod therapy uses electromagnetic pulses to stimulate nerve regeneration and reduce pain. It's completely non-invasive, painless, and can actually reawaken nerves that have gone dormant. If you're struggling with diabetic neuropathy and looking for a real solution, reach out to us at the 10X Physio channel and we'll see if stim pod therapy is right for you. If you found this video helpful, you need to check out my video on the best leg exercises to improve your balance. I'm going to link it right here. Remember, neuropathy can make you unsteady on your feet, and the last thing you want to do is fall. So go and watch the video now. And if you need any personalised advice, reach out to us here at Gav Noble Physiotherapy. We help people 50 plus stay strong, mobile and out of the doctor's office. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.